Hi friends, good morning. This is your channel Trading is Easy, and today we have taken a trade at Nifty Index long. So let's we see the what are all the entry points and what are all the tools I have used for the trade. As I told you earlier, I am using CPR and Camarilla strategy for entry and exit of the both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today I have taken a trade at Nifty. So today analysis was initial the first candle was opened at here and reached R1. So I waited for the retracement. So it retraced back to the CPR. Again it took support at the CPR. I waited for the retracement green candle. Again at the next candle I have taken a trade in this candle. See, at 76 rupees. Now it's on 78 rupees. The candle is supporting at CPR again. It's moving to the direction what we are expecting. So this is R1. This is previous day high, and one more important thing is yesterday's CPR little bit touched by the candle, so we will take it as a moderate type of virgin CPR. So our target will be either R1 or previous day high. When I touched this virgin CPR, I may close my position, because the virgin CPR will act as a very good VCPR. That virgin CPR will act as a very good support or resistance. So we will wait for our target. My SL is here. It is below the CPR supporting candle. So let's wait and watch the trade. Now it's trading at 77 rupees. In comparatively, we have to look for Bank Nifty also. Even though Bank Nifty opened below the CPR, it took supported previous day low. So it tend to reach the CPR, or sometimes it may break the CPR. So we will wait and watch both the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Even in Bank Nifty also, yesterday's CPR was pure virgin CPR. So let's wait and watch. Whenever you are taking a trade, always wait for the first 1 to 3 candles. Whether it is opening above the CPR, definitely it will head towards the R1 or PDH. So if you want to take a trade, don't rush into the trade. So wait for your retracement. So on retracement, either it should take support at CPR or it will break the CPR. So once it break the CPR, so it will retest again to take a resistance, CPR as a resistance. Once the CPR resistance is rejected, you can take a short here. So always wait for the retracement. Don't rush, because if you rush, it will be like a gambling. So don't do the trading as a gambling. Do it as a business with a knowledge. Definitely you will get a profit. And the main thing, psychology is the most important thing in all the businesses, not only in the trading, in all the business. Psychology, that is emotional support and knowledge. With the help of knowledge only you can beat the emotions. So psychology, okay. Whatever may be the business, either a trading or medical field or anything, so we need to experience the thing. So only by gaining the experience we will gain the knowledge, and by gaining more knowledges you won't get emotional. Either you will get exited before the target, or else you will end up in a lose because of fear. Because see, after retracement, this next candle is again retracing to the CPR. What you will think? Okay, so the Nifty will get reversed, so I should exit with a less loss. So, but what happened to the next candle? It reversed and taking to the desired target. So we have to wait for the target. Accept the thing. Either it should hit the SL or else it should hit the target. So whatever may be the thing, we have to accept the thing, because our ego should not interrupt the trading rules. Okay, so we have to accept the reality, not our ego. Okay. Now I am trailing my SL to the break even point. My target will be either R1 or to the previous day Virgin CPR level. And then you will find one more thing. See, there were a supply zone is there, so at any time it may tend to get reversed. Otherwise the bullish inverse will be not strong, it will get reversed. So it's better to get exit here, or else we have to trial our SL. See, it's getting higher and higher. So it's reaching our target, but still it appears to be very bullish. We can trial our SL and we will wait for the Virgin CPR level. So now I am trailing my SL. So now I am in a profit. So it has to break the R1. Hi friends, I am planning to exit the trade since we are at the all-time high 1850, 15.5. See, it's tend to get reversed. I booked a small profit. So this is for the one lot trade in Bank Nifty. For so many days it is struggling to break this 15,800 15,850 level. In option Australia site, you will find that there are a lot of option open interest at the level of 15,850 level. So in the future it may get break, but today in the last so many days it's trying to break the level previous day high. So it's better to have a decent profit. Okay, a decent profit, and at the same time I have reached my target level. See, this was my target, but I closed it here. This is for the one lot. If you're trading at two or more lots, you will get more profit. So thanks for today. Kindly comment, share, like the videos. This will motivate us to put more valuable information. The upcoming videos I will detailedly give the what is mean by CBR, what is mean by camera law, and how we can trade with those tools. Because that will act as a leading indicator that will help us to take a decent profit without any fear and emotional disturbances. Okay, so thank you friends.